Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by prioritizing safety. Make that your first action. Before any manipulation, clear the firearm and verify it is unloaded. Do not assume. Once done, create a controlled workspace with good light and no distractions, and wear eye protection and gloves to prevent spring injuries. Make sure magazines and ammo are removed from the room. If you are unsure about local laws or safe handling, pause and seek a qualified instructor, armorer, or gunsmith. Do not proceed on uncertainty. You should rely on authoritative, non-actionable resources. Begin with the manufacturer's manual for model-specific diagrams and warnings. Once you have the manual, use it to recognize components visually. Do not attempt disassembly without certified training. Make sure to note any warnings about spring-loaded parts or proprietary tools. If the manual indicates complex procedures, schedule service with a licensed gunsmith. Transitioning to professional help reduces risk and preserves warranty, and it prevents accidental damage or unsafe conditions. You finish by recognizing limits. If at any point components resist, bind, or behave unpredictably, stop immediately and seek professional assistance. Once stopped, document the symptom and avoid further forceful attempts. Forcing parts causes injury or damage. Make sure you are compliant with local laws and manufacturer warranty terms before proceeding with any modification. If troubleshooting, a single key tip: consult a licensed armorer or gunsmith who can safely continue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.